I'm going to remove the smoke alarm, and I'm going to check the manufacturer date. Usually the manufacturer date is at the back of the smoke alarm, and you can see the manufacturer date on the left bottom there. It says December 13, 2016. And most smoke alarm last about 10 years. So this smoke alarm is still good. So now I'm gonna install the battery, but I already removed the battery already. So now I have the AAA batteries I'm gonna install. Just make sure that you put the battery in the proper polarity, you put it correctly, so that if you don't, you're gonna have chirping, you're gonna have issue with the smoke alarm. So you don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna close it up, and I'm gonna push the test button, and there it is. It's working. Strobe light's working. You can hear it. Perfect. If you have any other question regarding any smoke alarm issues or trouble that you have run into, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.